photography, they say, is about light, right? That is what they say. Everything is about light. It's physics. But we shouldn't only look at light, but we should take a lot of things into consideration. When it comes to low-key photography, low-key photography is all about shadows. That's the elements. I will not sit here and tell you it is easy. It's not easy. It will be easy for you if you keep on practicing it, because it's one of the hardest part of photography. To carve light, it's not easy. But the low key has got to do with emotions, shadows, mood, storytelling, costumes, backgrounds, and then lighting. The emotion drawn on the faces is very important. It expresses fair communication to the viewer of the photo. Without storytelling, your low-key is whack. That is why you need to plan before you go to do your low-key images. My style might not be your style, so finding your style means trying to do images that you really love or inspire you. Dramatic images, cinematic images. That is my style. So people that book me, it's not because they just want to take pictures, but they are booking me because they are in love with my style. So you need to create a circle of clients and people that are in love with your style and in love with your pictures. You are not for everyone. So try as much as possible to get a style